Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Ford Galaxie LTD, a modern reimagination of a classic American muscle car. With a bold exterior, a luxurious interior, and a powerhouse under the hood, this car is built to impress. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Galaxie LTD embraces its vintage roots, while incorporating modern design elements. The front fascia features a wide chrome grille with an illuminated Ford emblem, flanked by sleek LED headlights that retain a classic rectangular shape. The sculpted hood includes functional air vents, giving it an aggressive stance. Moving to the side, the long, low profile is accentuated by muscular fenders and 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. The fastback roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, where you'll find signature LED taillights inspired by the classic LTD, quad exhaust tips, and a subtle rear spoiler. Stepping inside, the Galaxie LTD offers a perfect blend of retro charm and modern technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching, while the dashboard features a mix of digital and analog elements. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while a large touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's latest sync technology offers seamless connectivity. The classic three-spoke steering wheel retains its nostalgic appeal, but is now equipped with haptic controls. Comfort is a priority, with heated and ventilated seats, a premium surround sound system, and ambient lighting that enhances the driving experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Galaxie LTD doesn't disappoint. Powering this beast is a twin-turbocharged 5.0-liter V8 engine producing an estimated 750 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but Ford offers an all-wheel drive option for enhanced performance. The car rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest modern muscle cars on the market. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth yet responsive ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing it to the limits on the track. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 Ford Galaxie LTD starts at around $75,000, and for the base model, while fully loaded versions with performance and luxury upgrades can push the price closer to $100,000 and, considering the power, design, and technology packed into this car, it offers serious value for muscle car enthusiasts. So, what do you think of the 2026 Ford Galaxie LTD? Is this the perfect blend of classic and modern muscle? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next video.